Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of networking with an outdoor solution that's sure to catch your eye. Introducing the outdoor Gigabit PoE Passthrough switch by Binardat. Now, let's unpack what makes this PoE switch stand out from the crowd. First off, it boasts a Gigabit PoE Passthrough design, featuring 1 PoE input and 4 PoE output gigabit ports, delivering speeds of up to 10/101,000ths of a megabit per second. But what does that mean for you? It means lightning-fast data transfer rates, perfect for outdoor applications like surveillance cameras, access points, or any other PoE-powered devices you might have in mind. And get this, it's powered entirely by PoE network, meaning no AC power supply required. That's right, just plug in your Ethernet cable and you're good to go. But what about durability, you ask?
Well, fear not, because this switch is built to withstand the elements.
Constructed with industrial-grade ABS polymer material, it's waterproof, dustproof, and snowproof, making it ideal for outdoor use.
And don't worry about installation hassles, it's wall-mountable and designed for easy setup. Speaking of setup, this switch is a breeze to install.
Thanks to its plug-and-play functionality, there's no need for complicated configurations.
Plus, it supports power detection, automatically detecting devices when plugged in. And with LED indicators displaying port status, you'll always know what's connected. Now, before you rush to add this to your cart, let's talk compatibility. It supports IEEE 802.3 AF at BT standards, with a max PoE input of 90 W and varying output levels for different ports. And with support for VLAN mode and 3-level cascading, you can expand your PoE coverage with ease. So there you have it, folks, the outdoor Gigabit PoE Passthrough switch by Binardat. With its robust build, easy installation, and top-notch performance, it's a must-have for anyone looking to extend their network outdoors.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy networking.